In this video, I really am polishing a turd. Now I'm feeling quite pleased with how this car is starting to look. I cleaned her up because I'm going to take her to a classic show. I was meant to be taking Foxanne. I'm not happy with the way Foxanne's running. So as there's a 2004 cut-off, I'm going to take my 2003 CityRover. After all, it is a Rover, a classic British mark if ever there was one. Slightly ignored the fact it was actually made in India. But yeah, I've given it the one bucket wash. So I've gone round and given it a good old clean, and she's come up quite nicely, I think. Just started vacuuming the interior, although the I'm never going to get these seats cleaned today. But I could do with some mats really. I think that would be nice. I've even gone round and done most of the door shuts. Typically I don't seem to have done that one, but look, nice clean door shuts, little reflector down there, so she's looking an awful lot better. Yeah, I'm very pleased. I've ripped out the old mats. They are unworthy of further attention, and yeah, just a damp cloth clean of the interior, which has improved things nicely. Clean the glass, apart from this stickiness that won't come off, so the glass is now nice and clean and reflective. And yeah, I'm now going to dig into these two boxes, which you may have seen in a previous video, the one where I was doing the thermostat and all that. Got slightly sidetracked, didn't manage to do my unboxing, so I think now is the time. What especially pleases me is there's stickers all over these boxes saying do not use a knife, but I'm sure if I'm careful it'll be fine. I'll just need to find a knife. That looks like one. Just go carefully. And a bit down there, and a bit down there. And let's see what we got in this first box. Oh, staples as well, not just the tape. Right. Oh, a whole manner of goodies. So in total this is £60 worth of stuff from Rimmer Brothers. I'm going to have to drop this down. I think that's the only way I'm going to be able to get it out. But that's a complete door casing for the passenger left hand door. Let's just go and see what the one fitted looks like. Oh, unfortunately it's fine, but you know, it was about £4 or something stupid, so I thought I'd have it. Maybe all the other stuff is in the other box. I'm going to put you down and get this out. Right, we're in. Oh, all manner of goodies in here. What have we got there? Washer motor, windscreen and tailgate, 2 for the price of 1. Might be necessary, might not. That's the door card down there, I think. That's falling out. That is a bottom ball joint. Thought it might be useful. And remember, all this was £6. £60, sorry, £6 really would be good. In the door handle assembly, well, you know, if it goes, it goes. Aha, that's what I'm really looking for. Let's get these out properly. Genuine MG Rover mats. I don't know if they say Rover on them. Oh yeah, they do. Oh wow. Oh, boxes everywhere. It does say CityRover on the mats. That's excellent. And yeah, they were quite cheap as well, so that'll be good. I'll have genuine mats in my CityRover. What's this down here? Oh, I forgot I'd ordered that. That's the passenger wiper arm. I think that was £1. That's quite good because the one fitted is very slightly rusty. And I think that's another door latch assembly. All the cables and everything, the mechanism that goes from handle to the lock. Again, just cheap, and I thought, well, why not? And let's Oh, what's that? That's another mat. Is that a boot mat? It is a rubber load space mat. Winning. I think it looks better than that. And then the final piece in this first box is the door card. But yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's posh. It's got fabric on it. That's not from a Solo. Oh dear. Well, if I can get another one, I can upgrade, because the door cards in Han Solo, are plastic everywhere and grim. I quite fancy a bit of velour, so maybe we'll go for an upgrade if I can find another one. They only had the one for sale. Right, I will start on box 2. Right, here we go. Do not use a knife. I'm nothing if not rebellious. But it's all about the care. We won't go carving our way into the box. I'll just see if we can get rid of the tape. Oh, this is really difficult to do one-handed. Oh, blooming staples. There we go. See what we got in here. Yet more packaging. An awful lot of packaging, in fact. Ooh, that's a big old lump of something. Oh gosh, what have we got there? Oh, all sorts. That one is trailing arm, right hand rear, and that is a section of exhaust. But I may or may not need it at some point ever. Now that's quality. Look, so get free bit of surface rust. Perfect. Right, what else have we got in the box? Oh, we're running out of stuff now. I think we're down to the final item. And it is an instrument cluster. Oh yeah, that's because I thought maybe the maybe the temperature gauge was broken, which is why it wasn't working. But again, you know, all these items, 60 quid. Sometimes you need such things and sometimes you don't. Oh no, packing peanuts. I hate packing peanuts. So yeah, if I want to clock my CityRover, I can do so. Look, I can put it all the way back to naught. I'm not going to get that out because there will be packing peanuts everywhere. I absolutely hate those things. But there you go. I'm building up a stock of CityRover parts. So, ooh, pop, pop, pop. So there you go. Trailing arm, exhaust, interior cables, binnacle, door card, and mats. Why? Anyway, I'm going to get the mats fitted. Well, there we go. Sure to win a prize now with my George, you weren't in the garage, were you? Nope. Yes, you were. Yeah, my genuine CityRover mats. Look at that. Genuine items. Yeah, I'm quite excited about that now. I reckon I stand every chance of winning the modern stuff category. It's a shame about the crack in the dashboard, but I shall distract the judges and from certain holes. Yeah, already it's starting to smell a bit less of stinky dog, so good times. But do you think it's dinner time, George? You think it's dinner time? Is that why you're out here? By any chance? And what's that bit of plastic over there? Is that anything to do with you? You're strangely quiet, George. Oh, I see. Stop filming me. Okay, well, I'll just go and collect this bit of plastic, George. And then shall I see about dinner? And then tomorrow we shall make our friends. No, we shall make our way to stay with friends. And it's going to rain tomorrow, so the car will get filthy again. Perfect. And then it's the show. Oh yeah, I did some paint work. You might not notice, it's quite well blended in. About as well blended in as those patches are. That's some Daewoo paint there, the old cobalt blue, which is better than just plain rust, I thought. I was thinking the match might be a bit closer, but it's okay, just distract the judges. I'll still be a millionaire. Right, I'm going to park the CityRover up for the night. Look how shiny, I can see Ellie in a CityRover. And yeah, we shall head to the show. It should be fun times. I should point out, the last time I went to this show with a Rover, it was a Rover 600 turbo diesel. I sadly didn't video it, but it blew the gearbox up at the show, left a trail of oil all the way through the show to my car. So I got recovered by the AA. I did, George, I'm getting on with it. And they managed to drop the car on the way home off a trolley, towing dolly, and damaged it beyond repair. So hopefully this time it'll go better than that. What? Cats. Well, here we go. We're entering the Festival of 1000 Classic Cars. We've got a fairly leery modified Toyota MR2 in front of us, which at least isn't trying to be a Ferrari. An MGT type in front of that, I think, and a Morris Minor convertible ahead of that. So yeah, all the good times. Morning.
Morning, you alright?
Yeah, how you doing? Hello.
On the right hand side.
Okay. Auto shambles stand.
Oh, okie dokie. So pull to the right, and then you'll go all the way into the far corner there, and that's all the trade stands down there.
Beautiful. Sorry, it's not a trade. It's club stand.
Oh, sorry. If you pull on by the American flag there, Andrew will show you to your pitch.
Super. Thank you very much. Trade stand indeed. How very dare you. So I have arrived at the Festival of 1000 Classics. The Auto Shambles stand is starting to appear behind me. We've got some other nice cars. I'm particularly liking this Land Rover 90, little Riley 1.5 there. I think it's a Riley rather than the Wolseley. So yeah, cars are filing in. I thought it might be fun to go and have a walk along the line of cars coming in. It worked really well last year, and it saves me having to walk around the show later. Haha, that's always good. So we've come into the display area, but it's rather full, and all sorts of cars in here. Loads of Toyota Seras. They were quite quick. They should have sent one in really to give them a better chance of winning. But we have got our rally plaque, so we are now official. That's good. And yeah, I've got the bonnet open to impress the concourse judges. To be honest, the concourse judges show no sign of actually coming over here to have a look. Han Solo, the CityRover. So I'd say our chances of winning are rather slow. Oh, people are buffing their cars. I'm not buffing my car. Is that what you meant to do? Should I have detailed my engine bay? Is that why I'm not getting the attention? But yeah, interesting times. Well, unfortunately, we didn't win a prize. I can't say there's any great surprise about that fact, to be honest. But yeah, we'll go and park up with the Auto Shambles one last time, and then maybe have a cup of tea, and then drive home. And that will be the end of the CityRover's first classic car event. Just feel a bit weird being at a classic car event in such a young car, but why not? What do you reckon, mister?
That's not bad, is it?
Yeah, that sums it up. It's not bad. Yeah.
A lot like an Alto.
Yeah, I suppose it's got that. Very plasticky. But it rides well on this field, I reckon.
Yeah.
Sit in the back.
Yes, you may sit in the back.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
You may have to do another lap now.
I suppose I shall.
Yeah. A lovely day at the Festival of 1000 Classic Cars in the CityRover. I didn't hear anyone complaining about it being there. I was slightly worried that might be the case. So I think we can consider it a success. Still got a couple of hours to get back home to Wales, But yeah, it's been a lovely day out. There will be a full show report and also a little bit of bonus footage as well from the Auto Shambles stand, because we stayed until very, very late. It's currently 6 o'clock in the evening. People were starting to leave by 2 because that's what happens at British car shows, but we stayed because we have endurance. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget the Hubnut store has all the Hubnut goodies you could wish for. Also links to ways to support Hubnut other than buying stuff in the shop. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Further adventures of a CityRover. Who says you have to spend loads of money on cars? Farewell. Hello again. Just to quickly say, while we were going over this car at the show, we noticed that the original tyres are still fitted to the rear. Their manufacturer date was November 2003. They're Goodyear's, made in India. So yeah, I might want to get them changed at some point. Probably not before she goes into storage, before the big trip away. But that's not ideal. Originality has its limits. Still, those tyres have done 53,000 miles.